My dear students of class 8, this is your subject history and here the first chapter name is the revolt of 1857. Today we will see after the causes the continuation part of the chapter. So today's lesson is spread of the revolt. Spread of the revolt means it is known as main centers also. So now here we will see from Barakpur to all over India how it was spreaded. Let's see. Spread of the revolt of 1857. The revolts broke out in several parts of the country. These parts are also known as main centers of the revolt of 1857. Now the name is Mirat. So students, everyone already you know the revolt of 1857 it was started from Barakpur by Mangal Pandey. Now from Barakpur it spreaded all over India. So from Barakpur to Mirat. Now we will see about the Mirat. The first major outbreak that finally led to the revolt of 1857 occurred at Mirat when 85 sepoys refused to use the greased cartridge. On 10th May 1857, the sepoys broke out in open rebellion. So their officers released the fellow sepoys and marched towards Delhi. Now we will see in Delhi what happened when they marched towards Delhi and when the sepoys reached Delhi, what happened over there. Let's see about Delhi. On 12th May 1857, the sepoys captured the city of Delhi. They killed many British officers with the help of common people and declared Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah II the Emperor of India. But in September 1857, Delhi was recaptured by the British government. Emperor Bahadur Shah II was arrested and exiled to Burma. So student, Delhi you can say that Delhi revolt led by Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah II because the sepoys declared from that time Mughal Emperor will be the leader of them. Now next center name is Lucknow. The sepoys besieged the residency at Lucknow where Begum Hazrat Mahal, the wife of Nawab of Awadh, led the uprising. However, in March 1858, the British forces recaptured Lucknow. So here, sepoys tried and Begum Hazrat Mahal also tried, but in front of British sepoys, the Lucknow defeated. Now we will see the next center name is Kanpur. The revolt of 1857 at Kanpur was headed by Nana Sahib, the adopted son of Bajirao II. He was the last Maratha Peshwa. He was ably assisted by Tatia Tope and Azimullah. However, the British defeated Nana Sahib in December 1857. Nana Sahib fled to Nepal where he died. This is very important center of revolt, Jhansi. In Jhansi, the 22-year-old Rani Lakshmi Bai led the rebels when the British refused to accept the claim of her adopted son to the throne of Jhansi. Here you can remember the doctrine of lapse policy. She fought bravely but Jhansi was ultimately captured by the British. Later on, Lakshmi Bai was joined by Tatia Tope and together they marched to Gwalior and captured it. The Rani of Jhansi died fighting till the very end. Bihar. In Bihar, Kunwar Singh, the 75-year-old Rajput Raja of Jagadishpur, led the revolt. He was killed in a battle in Bihar. However, in many native states, the rulers actively supported the British, but the common people and soldiers rose up in revolt of 1857. The revolt was finally suppressed by the British government. The Governor General Lord Canning proclaimed the end of the rebellion on 8 July 1858. So students, here walks it from all the causes and from today's lesson also, the revolt of 1857. First, the short answer questions. Number 1. Mention any two centers of the revolt of 1857. Number 2. Mention two leaders of the first war of independence. And objective number 3. Who led the revolt in Delhi? Name the last Maratha Peshwa. Here you have to write only answers. Copy the questions and write only the answers, not in any sentence. Now this is long questions. Now question number 1, write the political causes of the revolt of 1857. Number 2, explain the economic causes of the revolt of 1857. And number 3, what were the contributions of society and religion that led to the revolt of 1857? All answers you will get from the previous video and today's video. First copy the question and write down the answer. Now students, if you have any queries, any doubt, you can comment below the video in comment section. Thank you students.